Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to mine Dogecoin from any Windows computer. I'm going to make this simple and beginner friendly, so if you're new to this you won't get lost. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Alright, let's get into it. First we're going to open the Dogecoin website. We're going to get a wallet here. We need that to store the coins we get from mining. The links to everything I use will be in the description. So alright, click on the Windows button and go over to the Doge Core wallet. We're going to need that one. Now we're going to download the wallet. Most people will need the 64-bit version, so I'm going to click on that, press keep. Once it's downloaded, click on it again. Go through the setup wizard. It's real quick, simple, fast. Alright, when that's done, click next. And now we're good to run the wallet. On this thing, you just press hide. Now we go to much receive right here. Top, click on request payment, and this is how we get our address. This is very important, so make sure you copy the address just by clicking copy address at the bottom. And now we're good for the next step. Alright, for the next step, click the second link in the description. Here we're going to be able to download the actual miner, so click download. It might take a couple seconds, that's fine. And then we're going to see a zip folder right here. We're going to click on that and open Dogecoin Miner. Once you open Dogecoin Miner, you're going to want to right click anywhere on the folder and you'll see a little thing at the bottom that says extract all. Click that, extract, and then a new folder will pop up with the extracted files. We're going to want to click on Dogecoin Miner again and then focus on start right here. We're going to right click start and click on edit. Now sometimes Windows kind of geeks out and thinks there's a virus or something. That's fine, it's not a virus, it's perfectly safe. Click more info and run anyway if you run into that problem. And now we see all this text over here. We don't have to worry about anything else but where it says Dogecoin. Right where it says Dogecoin, we're going to want to highlight that, delete it, and paste the address we copied right there. This is how the miner is going to send you the Dogecoin. So this is very important. Now click save, make sure you save it, and X out of it. Now you can click start. And here we go. We're already mining Dogecoin. Allow access if you have to do that. Oh yeah, now we're mining Dogecoin. That easy. Alright, finally, to track how much Doge you're making, go to Unminable, which is the third link in the description. And on the top left hand corner, click address. Here you're going to paste your address again and then click search. Alright, once you've done that, you're going to see how much Dogecoin you've actually made so far and how many Dogecoin you need to make for them to get sent to your address. This is important, so don't freak out if you don't get the Dogecoin sent right to your address right away. You might have to wait a little bit. And also, if you see this saying 0 at first, that's okay. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to update. And that's it. Now you're mining Dogecoin.